Alright, I was sent 3 videos to watch, and then I was going to make my video on DeepSeek. So yeah, let's get right into this.
Cat videos from the past 10 years.
Ты ко мне лезть. Не надо. Ах ты.
Boy. You can't even. What are you hitting him with? You have no other arm.
What did you say?
This cat is not being harmed in any way and truly enjoys doing this trick.
It's a little flip.
Part 2.
Okay.
Double mom hug.
She's clearly not happy.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold. That's so funny. That's
These people
Millie.
use their cat to catch a bug.
Yes, girl.
What?
Oh my god!
At least the other cat got some. Whoa!
Oh.
Hi, how you doing?
Baby, you hungry? Say yeah.
She came home after petting a cat that her cat absolutely hates.
Any cat, if you pet him like that, does the same thing.
This is Aries, who is a cat that was born with hyperextended rear legs. He isn't in any pain and is pretty much a normal cat in every other way.
Cool.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Yes, you can do it. You can do it, Snowball. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
She doesn't do it.
This cat seems to have adopted this monkey.
Huh?
I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere. Like, where did they go?
This poor cat had an existential crisis.
Why are you doing this?
Oh!
He was trying to force his cat to love him.
Over here. It's not that serious.
Have one. You can have one bite. It's pistachio ice cream.
This chunky monster of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
The streamer's cat really loves her.
I don't know what she's looking at.
He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
El cielo se cae, hijo chico little.
or Kenzie?
You.
For some reason, a bat latched onto the collar of this cat.
Man, that's an old video. Oh!
Like,
This poor cat was halfway to heaven.
Nella. Girl, stop. Jesus Christ. You want to eat?
No.
It's not time. You just ate.
They wanted to introduce their new kitten to their older cat.
stop. Shut up.
This cat was in trouble and yelled for backup from her big brother.
That's a bat cat.
Did you get that?
Oh my god.
What do you think is wrong with this cat?
Stop it. Stop. What are you doing?
Do you like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
This cat was really upset that they woke up from their nap.
What happened? Did you wake yourself up? No, you are so very grumpy.
Careful, please. Really careful. Not yet. Roger.
I don't know many cats that eat anything.
A cat got too close to a candle and its tail caught on fire. The outer layer of fur was protecting the cat, which is why the cat didn't freak out. I have never seen a cat run in cursive before.
Unfortunately, Oliver, as you know, your sales have not increased, for this month. So, unfortunately, we have decided that we will need to be letting you go.
This behavior is not professional, and I will be calling security. Security! Ah!
Ooh.
I found a cat that loves sucking on this person's ear.
I see why this was sent to me like 500 times. Cats do stupid things. Just the stupidest things. It's because their brains work for hyperactivity because they gotta hunt. That's why.
This cat got a little nervous and protective when the baby put their hands over the balcony.
Attempt to make this shoe launch off the desk on its own. You ready?
Hairless cats often need lotion in order to protect their skin.
I would hate to do that. I think hairless cats are an abomination. They shouldn't exist. They're hideous.
Pesto chicken pasta?
Vomit thing.
This
Yeah.
guy tossed in his cat to go catch a rat. This person has a cat that walks on the same path every day.
Oh, buddy.
This person wanted her dog
Guess
to
he didn't
come
need
back
that
inside,
anyway.
but they weren't really listening. The cat saw that they weren't listening and wanted to help out.
Why are you?
They do that to get warm.
What do you think he's going to jail for?
Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Was hat sie getan? Huh?
This guy was kind enough to save a kitten found on the side of the road.
Someone just. Oh no! It's a whole. Oh my gosh! I can't take you all. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! There's more. We got a kitten problem.
This cat was confused when she
I
heard
was
her
wanting to
owner's
see-
voice come from a security camera.
What the heck?
If you take a wet toothbrush and pet a cat with it, it supposedly reminds them of getting cleaned by their mother.
Hunter, are you hungry?
Yeah. Ooh.
This cat grabs food from the automatic feeder as if someone will try and steal it.
No,
This cat was caught doing sit-ups underneath a car. I have never seen a cat drink via Bluetooth before. Imagine losing a game of ring toss to a cat.
Go, let go.
I think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, so he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
See if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want somebody? Oh.
This cat has trouble understanding how the screen works.
Chega, Ninho. Ninho. Oh, meu Deus, que gato doido é esse, menino?
I just got off work, so don't look up here.
Nope.
I have never
Guess I'm
seen
doing
someone
anyway.
that loves corn as much as this cat does.
Doesn't corn hurt cats? Pretty sure it does.
This cat just discovered the new security camera that was installed in the house.
Come here.
You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel. You got all that?
Hey.
They do that to keep warm. Most cats do that when they walk.
Jak to mylо.
This cat sounds exactly like a squeaky toy. What do you think he's trying to say?
What kind of noise is that?
What are you two doing?
Oh. Ooh.
I have never seen such a nervous dog before.
I like that one.
There's only two types of cats.
Oh. What, is the other one gonna jump over?
Did hers get her cast off? So she. Oh, why'd you do that? Iggy, you ate a bee this morning. How do you feel? Thank you.
Oh, they only turn one once.
Ate a bee.
And we are doing the whole princess theme, but it's still moving to
I know cats that have that
It's food by the foot.
issue.
You want some food by the foot?
That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed
Okay.
the super special cat video that I made, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
I really like that. People need to send me more cat videos. I enjoy cat videos. I don't get it too often. But that was funny. Yeah. Don likes cats. It's true. I do. I had 4, but now I only have the 1. So, yeah. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.